The kitties are very calm and contented this afternoon. Apollo greeted me at the door and Luna wasn't far behind him. It looks like your friend left out a can of food for me this time, which was very kind of them. And it looks like all's well here. Happy kitties, clean house, all is good. I'm gonna give them some love and then I'll get started on their dinner. Oh, after litter boxes, naturally. Just served dinner and put out the kibble. Good job. He really likes this one. Oop. Meanwhile, Luna's working on the puzzle toy. Good boy. What a good girl. Good girl, Luna. She is such a sweetheart. Looks like Apollo's going for some dinner. Good girl. What you doing, Apollo? You just watching? You just watching? Look at those beautiful eyes. Sorry, I always forget you don't like a light touch on the back of your head. He's a good boy. Well, it has been fantastic getting to see these sweet kitties this weekend. I'm so excited to see them again on the 14th. They're gonna have a good time. I have toys that I'm gonna bring. I have another puzzle feeder that I can let you guys borrow. See how that works out for you? It's gonna be a good time. As always, thank you for choosing me. Thank you for trusting in me. I absolutely love these stinkers. They're great cats.